¿Qué es lo que hay, guys? Pedro here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be working on the top part on the engine. I'm going to be installing the cylinder head, the camshafts, torquing everything, and closing the top part on the engine. So stay tuned. We're going to turn it over to now work on the top. You have to take this off to lock the crankshaft in time. Just like that, it's locked. This is what generates the current. This is the magneto. This is what charges the battery, give energy for all the accessories in the jet ski. This is the oil pump. Have to clean everything up in order to put this back together. This is the oil filter. This is the filter that is in the inside of here.
I'm colorblind, yeah.
Pulmonía. Negativo. Okay. Now we are going to install the camshaft. Before installing it, we have to apply assembly loop. This is the camshaft lock pins. We have to install it to lock the camshaft in place. We didn't catch the video installing the water pump, the oil pump and everything, closing the engine, so sorry about that. We already finished with assembling the whole engine, and the engine is ready to go in the jet ski. So in the next video, you're gonna be seeing us installing the engine on the hull. We already cleaned it and continue with the build, so we can finish the jet ski for you and you can see it ripping in the water. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and help us grow the channel. So see you in the next video.